Hello, friends. Welcome to the Lost Places and Temples. My name is यश एंड आज मैं आप सबको एक और नए शहर में लेके आया हूँ. इस शहर को नवाबों का शहर भी कहते हैं एंड इट्स कॉल्ड द सिटी ऑफ लेक्स ऑल्सो. Well, it's the most cleanest city in the country, having lakes, temples, and lot of big palaces. Yes, friends, we are in Bhopal. So let's start our first day in Bhopal. You can start your day by visiting One Vihar National Park. It's an open zoo where you can see the animals while walking, cycling, or riding your own vehicle. And some animals you can see by the roadside. And if you are lucky, you might see the tiger also. And the next destination is Bharat Bhavan, Arts and Cultural Center of Bhopal. So friends, I am at Bharat Bhavan. It was established in 1982, inaugurated by the Prime Minister of India at that time, Indira Gandhi. And all sort of performances happen here, like singing, dancing, acting, stage shows, plays. And it's a very prestigious stage because artists from all over the country come and perform here. So if you are an art lover, theatre lover, or any interest in cultural activities, so you have to be here. So let's come to Bharat Bhavan. You will get to see multiple art galleries, studio theatre, and an auditorium in Bharat Bhavan. And this area is called the Open Air Amphitheatre, where artists from all over the country perform here. And going to my next destination, that is Upper Lake or Bada Talab. And this lake is the major source of drinking water for the residents of Bhopal. And there is a boat club in Upper Lake also, where boat riding competitions happen, and you can see the boat riders preparing for their competitions. Yes, so we are in the city of Lakes, भोपाल. और यहाँ पे मैंने एक बोट राइड ली है. मैं अपर लेक में हूँ और अपर लेक पे एक ये बोट क्लब है जहाँ पर आपको अपनी बोट भी आप ले सकते हैं, और अगर आपको सबके साथ जाना है तो देयर इज़ अ क्रूज़ ऑल्सो. वो आपको पूरे एक लेक की सैर कराता है. एंड शाम के वक्त व्हेन इट इज़ सनसेट, इट्स वेरी ब्यूटीफुल टू कम इन दिस लेक एंड हैव अ नाइस राइड इन अ बोट. और बहुत मज़ा आता है, ट्रस्ट मी. सो अगर आप भोपाल हैं तो अपर लेक ज़रूर आएँ फॉर दिस क्रेज़ी बोट राइड. So I have come to the last spot of Bhopal, that is Man Bhawan Tekri, where you will get to see a beautiful Jain temple, and this place is very famous for its sunset view. And we have completed our one-day journey in Bhopal, and I would love to know, if you are here, how you are gonna spend your one day in Bhopal. So if you like this episode, please like, share and subscribe to the channel, and I am gonna see you very soon in a new episode with some new things. Till then, stay safe, stay healthy, and अपना ध्यान रखिए.